on behalf of the High Commission of India in Gaborone to the 77th Republic Day celebration at the India House. I acknowledge the presence of the Acting High Commissioner of India, Mr. Anandmay Vaidya, I also acknowledge the presence of all the team members of the Indian High Commission, all protocols observed. There's another important activity which is called clapping. Not only does it improve the blood circulation, but it also demonstrates the appreciation of the audience and encourages the performers. So please, let us be healthy and let us practice this activity today. The orders may please continue.
It is with immense pride and a deep sense of gratitude that I stand before you today on the 77th Republic Day of India. As the Acting High Commissioner of India, it is my great honor to unfold the national flag here at India House in the beautiful land of Botswana, an occasion that marks not only the glory of our past but also our continued journey towards progress and unity. Today we come together despite the geographical distance from our motherland to celebrate the values that binds us, values of democracy, liberty, justice, and fraternity. Once again, I extend my hearty greetings to all of you on Republic Day. I firmly believe that your life will be filled with happiness, peace, security, and harmony. I wish you all a very bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Here in Botswana, we have the opportunity to showcase the spirit of India and to strengthen the ties of friendship between our two nations. Let us celebrate today not only the achievements of the past, but also the endless possibilities that lie ahead for our great republic. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Anand Mubedi, for that was a very good insight it was not just the address of the Honorable President. It also gives us an insight of and the ideology of how the government of India is approaching the future of the country. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to some of the cultural programs. Any Republic Day celebration would be incomplete without these cultural programs. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rahul Srivastava, and I am your Master of Ceremonies for the event today.
Namo हर करम अपना करेंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए हर प्यार निभाना आता है। जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया हो, जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ।
I'm going to call upon Mr. Sanjeev Sachdeva, Attaché Political, for a vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It has been an honor and privilege to express my vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. On behalf of the High Commission, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guests, heads, representatives of various organizations, associations, area wardens from various cities of Botswana, friends of India, members of the media, and our spirited members of the Indian community who have gathered in large numbers on the occasion of India's 77th Republic Day celebrations. Your presence is highly commendable and appreciated. I would also extend my sincere thanks to Sikh Council of Botswana, India Association of Botswana, BAPS Swaminarayan Temple, and Garnish Cafe for their contribution in providing the refreshments of authentic Indian taste. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants, their choreographers, who have worked so hard in displaying some wonderful patriotic performances, making the event truly special. I would also like to thank and appreciate my colleagues from the High Commission who have been working tirelessly to ensure a flawless and smooth event. In the end, I once again thank you all for joining us and making this event a grand success and memorable one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now come officially to the close of the program for today. I would like to thank the High Commission of India to have given me this opportunity to be here as part of the program. Thank you so much. I now officially declare the program closed. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai